Hi, I'm Roy. Welcome to this series of videos for Unreal Engine 4 Roy's tutorials on Unreal Engine 4. I'm gonna be covering right now intro to Unreal Engine 4 and how to use basic controllers and user interface. Launch the engine. Choose new project. I will be using third-person blueprint. With right click you can pan this window up and down. With right click, blueprint third person right here. Give it a name. I will give it intro to UE4 tutorials, and that should be good. Include starting content so we can teach something. If not, we're gonna be with an empty content browser. Create project. Right here you can choose where do you want to save this project. By default it's gonna be your user, your computer name, documents, Unreal projects. So you hit create project and you do the rest. Right now I'm using the 4.3.1 version of the Unreal Engine. As you can see, the engine gives us some table and chairs so that we can begin. And right here, file, open, we can open starter map with some materials, apply it on it, basic stuff. We can go around and see some materials created by Epic Games. And right now it says click the simulate toolbar button. So right here we have the play button, and you can press it and you will see some dynamic stuff going around with some gold material applying on it. And I'm moving like if I were playing on a PC. I'm doing it some by doing pressing the right click, and then with the W key on the keyboard, A key on the keyboard, ASD, WSD, WAS key, I can move forward, left, right, backward, and if I move the mouse then I can go up and down. Right now I'm on simulate, so if I hit stop, everything is gonna be again at the beginning. If I hit play, then I will begin right here at the at this controller location. And again, I move forward using the WAS key, WASD, on the keyboard, and like right here we have the blueprint system. For those who use UDK before, the blueprint system is like Unreal script but visual. It's gonna be Unreal script visual Unreal script. So we can go ahead and open the level blueprint, and as we can see, we have some stuff going around here. We have some music right here, play, delay 25 milliseconds, and play the other music for the simulate stuff. And I want to use the inverse mouse, so I will go here and go right click, write down console, and as you can see, this is like a filter. Execute console command, and I'm gonna write down inverse mouse. As I say, I like the mouse to be invert. I don't like the up, look up, and down, look down. When I move my mouse down, I like to look up. Now if I hit play or simulate, then I have my mouse inverted. Okay, right here we have the content browser. This is where everything of your assets is gonna be on the content browser. This is like a folder inside the Unreal Engine 4. Whatever you do here is gonna be in the Unreal project, and whatever the name you write down, these folders are gonna be here too, inside here. If I create a folder here, sometimes appears, sometimes not appears, but if you create it here, it will appear here. Okay, so we can stack these windows whatever you want. This is the outliner for those who have used Maya before. By the way, I don't like Maya, but for those who have used Maya before, Maya have the outliner too. It is called the same way, outliner, and it's pretty cool, the outliner stuff in here in the Unreal Engine 4. It speed up the workflow super fast. Then we have the modes like in UE4, but better. The content browser, the shortcut for the content browser is Ctrl+Shift+F. If I press Ctrl+Shift+F, you notice that like a blinking light, something like that. It's telling you, hey, I'm here. I'm gonna move my content browser right here. Then we have the detail, is like the property menu on Unreal Engine on UE4. If you choose something and hit F4 key, it's gonna jump to the detail menu or tab or whatever you want to call it. So we have the content browser, we have the properties that is now called detail, we have the outliner, which is good and great. As I say, you can select this chair, hit W key, and will appear the move tool, and then you can press in alternate, drag it around, and you can make a copy. Chair, it says chair 2 here, and then I can make another copy and have this chair below this one. And if I move this chair move too, but if I move this one, it won't move this one because this one is like the boss. I'm gonna end this video.